Okay, so today as we're getting ready for the investment, one of the things I'm going to need you to do in your flasks is you need to decide upon just a group leader. This is going to be the person who's going to act as your facilitator to get everything through. Then you need to have a group initial. So for instance, if I was going to be a group leader, mine would be the Bruce.Wellman group, and then the initials are going to be, it would be BW. This is what goes onto the top of your flask, right? After you're done investing, we need to have some identification that goes on there. So we want to have this all filled out. I want to have the group members' names as well. I'm going to take a picture of this so we'll be able to keep track of who had what flask. Because remember, today when you're measuring out the amount of copper and the amount of silver that you're going to use, you have to be sure that you get that right amount in the right flask. So it's going to be extremely hot. The way we're going to do is I'm going to set up the oven based upon these initial groups. That will be the order that you're going to pull it out of the furnace when we do the casting. So it's really important that this is clearly labeled before the end of today, because once that investment hardens, we can't really carve into it. Okay? So be sure you have your group leader's name. You're going to have the group and then your initials, and again on your top of the flask it's going to say hour 2 and the group initial will have everyone's member's name on it. This is what goes onto the top of the flask. This is what's going to be on the top of flask that you're going to carve in. Okay, that's going to be on the top of flask. Questions can I answer for you on that? Nix, that'll stop.